become a Roomba in Gorilla Tag. Alright, you want to come over into City, get right underneath here. And then you want to get all the way under. Turn this way. That's just going to make it easier. Then you open and close your, like, quest thing. Just press it, and then you can get your hands stuck in the floor. Now my hands are stuck in the floor, and I can move around. And then also you can still, like, use your cosmetics. Let me see if I can come over here. Alright, yeah, never mind. Alright, that's pretty cool, though.